Hi pirates and mermaids, welcome back to again another episode of our project Mini Riva. Yesterday I told you about the boat, and I was going to bring it for the pillows to the guy who was going to make the pillows. I searched 3 or 4 different companies to help me with the pillows, and nobody had time for it. Most of the people said like, yeah, we have time in around 8 weeks. Long story short, I found a guy who was willing to help me, a really good guy. So the plans are now, I need to make a mold of wood, probably on the sides also and everything, and this guy is going to help me with the pillows. So I am going tomorrow on vacation, and it's already a little bit late in the evening, so I need to hurry up. So that's the explanation of the process now. So I will be filming everything to show you what I'm about to do. It's kind of easy job, but also long. Is it a long job? Well, it's a lot of work. Let's say it like that. Oh, I didn't tell you about the idea of the pillows. You have like the stripe on the boat, like this one. The threads will be baby blue. Na, 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 na. Let's first cut it. Let's first start with the easy one. Let me see, sitting achter. I think it's almost impossible. You need space. We make it 8 shorter. See if it fits now. It should. Now we do the front part first. This is the middle. You can check it once. 96.7, 96.7, 69 I mean, 69.8, 69.8. Well, that's 1 millimeter difference. Doesn't matter that much. 66.5, and on the other side 66 point almost 5. and then you're always searching. See, here it is. Sorry, I freaked out a little bit because I'm in a hurry. Much better. Today I'm finally showing you the pillows of the boat itself, and in my opinion it's freaking amazing. Let me put this one so you can see it from the top, but damn, I'm so happy with the result. It's above expectations. The colors are exactly the same as I hoped it would be seeing the boat. Also the diamond sticks, I think it's sticks, are freaking amazing. Yeah, I'm really excited. I'm really excited to finish this whole project. I will pick up the new engine of our Mini Riva. As I explained in the previous episode, it will be a 60 horsepower engine, wide one, freaking amazing in my opinion. So yeah, I'm already at my, I'm almost at my destination, and I will pick it up, and probably in the afternoon I will make a video of the engine itself, unboxing video. So yeah, let's see how it looks like, and I'll be back in a couple of hours, I think. So we've picked up the engine. I'm at another store now to pick up some accessories for the boat itself, like lights, meters, some gas handles and everything. So probably they have more things in the store itself, but yeah, I just give it a look and see what we can get. So I'll be right back with an update what I bought. Well, we're back again, and today was a good shopping day. It was an expensive shopping day, but we've got almost for like 90% what we need. Bought a couple of things like the lights. Also, I don't know how you call this in English, but it's for your ropes, to attach ropes or fenders or whatever, and you can just click them down. And here it is, the engine I bought. No, joking. The engine is still inside the van. In here, we've put it in the van with 3 people. And now I have to take it out on my own, but let's just take the forklift. here, so the unboxing can start. So for those who didn't know, today I went to the store. I bought a beautiful 60 horsepower engine for the boat, of course, the beautiful Mini Riva, we just call it like that. And let's see what we have. And there we go. Amazing. Fuel tank. What a crazy thing. This is so freaking amazing. Electrical trim. Whenever you're whenever the engine's in the water, you can just trim it to get it higher in the water or lower whenever the depth of the water isn't too much or whatever. I've placed the smaller engine next to the new one and look at the difference in size. It's amazing. Man, I'm happy. Crazy. I'm so excited to attach it to the boat. Today will be the day that we are applying the engine of the engine on the back of the boat. Also have to, it's a completely mess. Sorry for that, but that's the steel plate. We will attach it at the back of the boat itself, and on that part we will apply the engine. Cutting some holes for these beauties. Ja. Hij schiet ook echt een eentje door, hè? So as you can see, we've attached the jack lift and the steel plate, and my mate needed to go through the stainless steel, which is an impossible task to fix, but it's done, and now we can attach the bolts through the boat itself with a lot of glue behind the steel plate, and after which we can try to attach the engine on the jack lift itself and see if everything we thought of will work. Geef die andere maar. Nu komt het op. Ja. Nou, dan moet je een sterke vent zijn. Het is geen 17, het is 19. Oké, je wil hem tegelijk draaien. Fucking bullshit.